I had to buy a few things. Kasi pumunta dito, sobrang mura. Yes, amazing. Are you gonna help me finish this? Parang Rottweiler na corgi. First meal, coconut water and bun. And it's from the streets. Taste it.
Latambuko.
Sarap, matamis.
Latambuko.
It's right in front of our hotel. So right now, we're staying at Kin Hotel. And nandito lang siya. So this is our first hotel, thanks to Kin Hotel, which you can also book through Klook. Use my code KLOOKDEN for 5% off. So nice. Very modern ang kanyang design. At may paganto pa sila sa bawat sulok na para bang di kami mauubusan ng towel. Ang ganda rin ulit. Slay. Authentic banh mi. Ooh, may mga pork floss siya. Parang like a spread. And then vegetables. So good. 30,000 dong. That is 66 pesos. Ayun. Na-share pa kami. So, tig 30 plus lang. And we also got coconut water for another 66 pesos. Hello mga Purbook, it's Den, your Mimasor. And today, tayo ay nasa Vietnam! Woo! Feeling, kala mo naman, merong standing ovation na nagaganap dito sa harap ko. Actually, bucket list ko talaga this year pumunta ng Vietnam. Kasi parang dami nag-Vietnam simula last 2024. And nakailang Taiwan na ako. So parang tama na ate, iba naman na dapat. And we booked this trip like 6 or 7 months ago. As in, sobrang mura pa ng tickets nun. Parang 8 or 9K lang round trip na siya. So I highly recommend booking through PAL. And booking way ahead of time para lang makamura kayo guys. Kasi kapag last minute, nag-check ako before nung May, papuntang Vietnam, like 17K na ate or 15K. So, gets, pang shopping mo na rin yun dito kasi sobrang mura talaga ng mga bagay-bagay here and I'm so excited. Hindi pa ako nakakatulog ng maayos pero umatake na si sis. Like, tingnan mo naman, very cats ay ang atake ko na para magko-concert dito. Actually, wala kami sobrang solid itinerary for this trip. As in, mag-shopping lang kami, kakain, a little bit of sightseeing, and tennis places for Bristol. And also, ang nag-invite sa amin dito ay none other than Kin Hotel. So, thank you so much. Ang ganda ng place, guys. It's a 3-star hotel dito sa District 1. And ang ganda ng location niya. Kasi pagbaba mo, meron agad mini stop. Wait, I'll show you. Ito yung eksena sa tapat. So, ayun yung mini stop. As you can see sa lower right. An apartment. Tapos, super bilis lang mag-book ng Grab dito. As per my friends. Kasi tapat lang siya ng street. Dati kasi yung Airbnb namin sa Thailand nun. Like, talagang sulok-sulukan ng mundo. Pero yun ang convenience talaga pag hotel. So you can book this through Klook. Just use my code KLOOKDEN for 5% off. Marami silang list of branches. So I'll just put it here para ma-check nyo rin kung ano yung pinaka-best branch for you guys na malapit sa mga gusto nyo puntahan. Anyways, here's our fit. This is Bristol's fit from the airport. Please explain.
Shirt by my designer Nick.
And pants by
Unique.
Salonga.
Yow.
And mine is of course a baddie. Am I right? What does it remind you of?
Katsudon.
Cause ayun be. Anyways, let's get it.
Never go back to you. But what's another night worth to you? Now it is a shade of blue.
So I just finished shopping, guys. sa Viery, basta V-I-E-R-Y. And ngayon, pupunta na kami sa cafe dahil ginugutom na kami, ate. Wala pa kami matinong lunch. But basically, kung saan kami natapapadpad. At nakakatakot tumawid dito, ah. Ano masabi mo sa crossing situation?
Grabe dito. Mas malala pa pala sa Pilipinas.
Like, walang sidewalk talaga. Tapos parang ako praying na lang na, alam mo ni Bristol, kailan tatawid. Ganun. Ang quick look natin. Quick look. Tingnan natin saan tayong papadpad. Ay, parang hindi ko makakabit. Ang ganda ng leather jacket. Ang ganda sana, pero parang ang dami ko na nabili. Ang dami ko na rin jacket. It's a buy. So, we're here at the Chow Ban Mi restaurant. Sa may District 1, I believe. Kasi katabi niyo yung mga Rubies and other sikat na clothing stores dito sa Vietnam. And we ordered a lychee drink, our favorite. And share kami sa isang snack. Kasi kakain pa kami mamaya ng pho. At gagawa ng TikTok na pho. Okay, taste test. Oh! Whoa! So good. Look at that. Wow. Let's eat. So you're supposed to put yung mga ingredients dun sa plato sa loob ng bread, sabi niya akin. Let's try it. It's our day 2 here in Vietnam, and syempre ang first namin pupuntahan ay none other than matcha, diba? So pupunta kami dito sa Nagocha Matcha Specialty and Tea House. So I actually made a TikTok video about it because it's really, really nice, and the whole vibe of the place is just Japanese. Like even the interiors of this place, sobrang ganda, and their matcha is really, really good. So I had one drink here. Sinerve niya pa sa bowl. O, diba? Tapos sabi sa akin, kailangan mo talagang i-mix ng ganito bago mo inumin. And of course, I had to buy a few things. So, I got this whisk holder. It's color blue. Napahol pa bigla. Super nice. Parang siyang donut. And then, a 30-gram powder. Actually, yung nag-recommend na sa akin nito is yung store personnel. Sabi ko kasi recommend na lang niya kasi hindi ko alam kung ano ba yung masarap. Mami, gusto ko yung sobrang tapang. Yun pala di masarap. And I was about to order yung pinaka-powerful nga nilang powder. Like the level 4. But good thing I didn't kasi ito pa lang ang tapang niya na. Then, they gave us cards also. So, ang plan namin today is of course to go to matcha, tennis, diba? Tig-isa kami ng gagawin today. And vintage watch. So, both kami bet yun. Medyo kailangan siyang i-grab. Tapos, after that, we might just check more clothing stores. Kasi hindi pa namin siya natapos kahapon. Kasi sobrang haba din talaga ng strip. And actually, papagawa dapat kami ng custom pants. Pero sabi ng person, medyo mahal. So, baka hindi na kami magpagawa nun. Kasi parang 900 to 800. Tapos sa Hoi An daw, mas mura. So, next time na lang. Ayun lang. Let's get it. Again. We got chicken and pork for lunch. Finally, so tamang oras na tayo kumain. Chili sauce. Vietnamese dessert. Bumalik kami sa market, guys, para mag-dessert. This one is Vietnamese halo-halo. So, parang mga jelly. And may beans, tas coconut milk. Sa kanya may durian.
Durian, sarap.
Who loves durian? And love Bebang halo-halo.
Yeah, Bebang halo-halo. Shout out Ike.
Sobrang mura lang. This is 25 Vietnamese dong. So, magkano? 25,000 pala. 55 pesos. And yung kanya, yung may durian, 35,000. 78 pesos, bro. So good. Kasi pumunta dito. Sobrang mura. This is in the market.
Bentan.
Ang galing mo din ah.
Marinate.
Punta kayo sa Bentan Market. Sobrang mura for clothes, pero syempre hindi lahat original. Tapos, pasalubong, yung coffee kanina, dito yung galing. And now this. They have like a lunch area then where you can get super cheap food. Like, I'll show you. Yan, lahat ng mga restaurants dito sa gitna. And we also got flowers. Thank you!
Welcome.
So, dito kami ngayon sa 4-piece pizza for dinner. And this is highly, highly recommended to try here sa Vietnam. And honestly, kala namin, high-end dinner place to. At yung suot naman namin, naka-shorts kami at mga damit namin na talagang napawisan na, no? Pero, sobrang mura. Like, as in, how much was our dinner? 700 total. Yeah, or 800 lang. Kasama na yung service charge. So, I'm so excited to try it. Let's try! I like the pepperoni.
Get both. Get both.
Okay. We got margarita plus salami, which is my fave. Cheers. I mean, let's try the sauces. Manipis lang pala siya. I love restaurants that have chili and honey. Guys, so kakabalik lang namin sa hotel and di pwedeng kumain ng durian sa kwarto. So, dito kami sa labas. It's his favorite food. So, bango. Anyway, it's my first time trying durian.
First time?
Yeah. I'll just bite it. Looks good. It's our day 3 here in Vietnam, and today makakatry kami ng real, super real hole in the wall. Si finish a sentence naman.
And may sobrang bitin na agad.
Yes. Nagkakaroon na naman ako nung parang nangyari sa Taiwan na like middle of the week, parang gusto kong mag-extend. It happened then before, kaya pag uwi ko nung Taiwan, nag-book kami agad ni Aika. So, ayun, gusto kong mag-extend, bro. Kasi si Aika, andito siya until the 29th. I want more shopping. You should have stayed a week. Yeah, balik naman kami. Pero hoy-an naman. Or tinola.
Tinola ba?
So, ang kain namin ngayon for lunch is pork and egg omelette with rice plus beef. Like stir-fried beef. Super exciting. And for sure, mura lang siya. So, this is the egg omelette with toge and rice. And ito naman yung beef. Parang 1/4 lang. Bubusog ka ba niyan? Makes me look so good. Girl, I love it. Just got here at the Museum of Ho Chi Minh City and girl, it's giving. Charay. So, mag-ikot-ikot kami. Mag-close to for 5, by 5:30 I think. Pero we just want to do something touristy kasi ang dami naming nabili sa playground. The new playground, kung tawagin. It's super near our second hotel. I will insert photos right here. Ganito kadami nabili namin. And Bristol also said that it's the best na shopping place na napuntahan namin in this trip. Kasi lahat talaga na dun lang. And kung mahilig ka sa mga streetwear, baggy pants, is mura, dun talaga. Like, per book siya. Katabi pa niya yung Ruby's and El Sol, I think, or something. Basta yun. Isa siyang building, puro mga stores. So, it's perfect. Magkano ang nagastos namin kanina? Hindi na namin alam. Tsare. Ang ganda naman ni ate. Duyin-duyin ang atake niya. Ayan, Nanlay. Shoutout sa'yo, Nanlay.
Don't ask me what my name means. I don't believe in that. Conversations one-sided, pull the strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around and tell me what you wanna do. I don't believe in that.
We ordered 2-liter matcha, almond croissant, and mochi dessert. Are you gonna help me finish this? The matcha? Say yes, it's for the vlog, bruh. Joe. Look, guys. It's even bigger than my face. So excited to try. Look who's here. So, last day na namin, guys, dito sa Vietnam. At first day pa lang ni Aika. Pero, buti na lang inagahan niya for us. Oh. Alam mo yun yung song? Oh. So, thank you so much. And today, actually, hinahabol lang namin yung mga last-minute shopping namin. So, ayun, yung mga ganitong...
Wonder Woman.
Si Darna. Oo. Hinahabol namin yung mga last-minute vintage shopping. Hindi namin ito nakita nung isang araw. So, this is Wabi Sabi Thrift. It's all vintage jewelry. Ito, it's giving me Wonder Woman. Pwede mo siyang costume.
The liturgy of the words.
Ay, pero super random na mga jewelry dito. Siguro like, magagamit ko ito ng lola nila. Uy! Uy! Yun sa likod mo.
Sorry. I was feeling the moment.